What's up, everyone? Today it's Andrew Awesomeness, and today this is going to be my first YouTube video I'm going to be making. And just for a reminder, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and smack that like button. Don't smack the unlike button. Smack the like button. I love that when it happens. Alright, so today I'm going to be sharing my toys I got today. I got some toy guns. Not only one, double two. And then only one thing, but it's a little boring though. But okay, so let's get on to it. So I got some guns. You probably don't see this gun, but it's black. So it says Tombstone Sheriff playset. It has a sheriff badge, a little gun, and a big gun. Just look at the nose it has. Just look at this. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good handgun. Here's the back of the box. Here's the warning sign. It says choking hazard, small parts not for children under 3 years old. Well, I'm not 3 years old. I think that was like in 2009 or something. I mean, probably 2011 or something. I don't know. Well, alright, so let's get this unboxing. So I really don't have any sharp stuff with me. So I gotta use my little helper. Little helper guy.
All right. Let me see.
Alright, we just gotta wait a few minutes, a minute, so we can play with it and see. There's some music going on. I'll dance for you if you can laugh. Oh, stop. Okay, here's the little gun. Really good noise. It's a really good gun. Yeah, this is it. It's gray, and on the bottom it's black. It's pretty good though. All right. So, all right. Here's the badge. Looks a little boring though, but I'll put it on for fun. Alright. Oh, no. Alright. Hey, I'm a sheriff. I really don't have the badge on, but pretend I do. Hey, I'm a sheriff. You better watch out before I shoot you. Alright, I give you the last chance. You're gonna die? I'm just playing. You're my friend. Yeah. Alright, my helper's working on it, so... Alright, so... Better not mess with me. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna shoot my helper. Alright. Looks like he's done with it. Here comes out the big weapon. Ooh, la la la. Alright. So, hold on, let me get my drink. This is pineapple juice. It's really good.
That's solid.
It's really good. You can buy it at Dollar General or other places. And I bought this at Dollar General. Oh. Now here's the awesome gun. Now this has a very long nose. It's pretty cool. Yep. If you shoot it, this thing moves. See, just watch it. Yep, it's pretty good. Hola, amigo. Alright. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. And another reminder, make sure to subscribe and comment down below and leave a big fat like. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.